Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips and tricks to get rich in the new era of AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get rich, I recommend you to be a content creator with AI videos or photos. And now there are a lot of AI tools that you can use for free to create your content. For example, guys, you can make a content like this. Wait, I'm going to open up my content. So this is a content generated with AI. I generate scene by scene with AI. I generated all this video using Pixers and also VEO. And I'm going to show you how the video looks like. Here, I'm gonna try to make Swan Lake story. You can create this kind of video guys. For generating video, I recommend you to use Pixers or InVideo, or you can also use VEO on Gemini or Flow. And on Pixers, you can generate video for free with credits. You will get daily credits, 60 credits for free guys. You just need to sign into this website with your Google account and then you can generate a video. And I'm going to show you my generations. Okay, these are the videos I have generated with Pixers. And then you can add narration, add music, or add voice. And to generate voice, I recommend you to use ElevenLabs. You can generate narration with this AI. And then for the music, guys, you can use Suno AI. Wait, I'm going to try to open up the Suno AI. Okay, you can create a song, music, instrument. It's up to you with this AI. You just need to add your prompt and then the AI will generate song according to your prompt. For example, you want to create ballad song or maybe K-pop song or lo-fi, or it's up to you. You just need to click on create and then you can download it for free. Okay, and then for editing video, you can use CapCut or Filmora. So guys, I really recommend you to be an AI content creator. And this is the tips from me. You can become AI creator and you can upload your creation on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.